my friends them need that. Enough of them lose them soul for gain the world. We no switch for the table turn. We no frightened for your spon the hill. May have one shoes alone, I'm a bill. Enough of them lose them soul for gain the world. We no switch for the table turn.
Welcome back, everybody. With summer around the bend, the new styles are popping up. We even have a few repeat offenders on the list, like camouflage. Yes, one of my faves, camouflage. This summer it's for the men, for them say, especially for the men. Camouflage is back. Plus, we have a lot of other things to tell you about what's gonna be hot for the summer. We have here the top 5 must-haves summer gadgets. You hear about some of them somewhere? Okay, what's the first one?
Waterproof Bluetooth speakers.
I have that.
I don't have that.
No, I mean, I know about that. Sorry, I have a Bluetooth speaker, but it's not waterproof.
When I hear about speaker and, well, okay, looking at the camouflage.
Oh, going to camouflage first, okay. That not look like camouflage.
Which one are the camouflage? One on the left or one on the right?
The fact that you have to ask that means that none of them are camouflage.
The one on the left looks closer to being a camouflage. The one on the right looks like tie and dye.
You like that extra?
No, I'm not wearing
I don't like that. That don't look like camouflage. Camouflage to me, a camouflage. That just look like a pattern.
Pattern.
Still, the one over here some kind of look like camouflage.
When you say over here?
Oh. All right. I see them kind of going to have really dark camouflage on the jacket. Right. Okay.
What right. Socks look so? Kind of shoes that him have on?
By the time you don't dissect the poor man.
Hey,
that's the same picture,
my sister wouldn't be happy with that kind of dressing.
No, I wouldn't be happy with that kind of dressing either.
Yeah, but
I like camouflage.
But I wonder why camouflage is in for the summer.
I remember having an interview once and asking one of the young ladies how or who dictates what style is and where it comes from. And it's been done like the year before when they were doing Style Week and
and then the summer.
Yeah. Right. So, well, for the women, they say khakis and chinos, deconstructed shirts, bold drop earrings, wrap dresses, cowboy boots. Ooh, boots, yeah. Man, I need a cowboy thing. Oh, and basket bags. I can feel those pants. I can feel them with like a crop top.
Yeah, as long as you're comfortable in them.
No,
okay,
thank
basket
you.
Basket bags.
No.
You carry this to the market?
I'm saying that just look like a roll out to Linstead market kind of vibe.
Kind of thing.
Yeah, I'm not with that. I'm not with that either.
I like that. I don't know much about trends in women. As long as you wear something you like.
Lord have mercy, no.
I just say romper.
I'm not with that. I guess I'm going to be very off-trend this summer. Oh, the way how the dress show it don't look like a romper dress, right? Because we can't see.
I guess it's like wearing one of these.
Could you now?
Like a black one.
All right.
Yeah.
And they said pastels are really into. Oh yeah, I'll work with any kind of earrings. That's awesome.
Wait. Yeah.
What happened to it?
No. It just look. See, I don't know much about earrings.
Tell me what you say.
It looks awkward. Like
it looks
crooked.
Weird? Oh no, that's the style.
Oh.
It's
the style.
It's an art piece.
Oh.
So that's the style of it.
Well.
For you. There you go. That's your pastels right there.
Yeah. Pastels are popular in spring.
Yeah, it's kind of weird that they shifted that down to summer, huh?
Yeah. See, I know a little something.
There you go. All right. You're learning all this time. Okay, everything is just gearing up to make a wow statement, guys. And of course, 2017 promises to be the best summer ever. I was telling you before about the top 5 must-have summer gadgets. And so we're going to get into that. Now, the first one, as we said, was a waterproof
Bluetooth speakers.
Mm-hmm.
When I think about speakers and water, them two things don't mesh.
Yeah, but they waterproof. So you can fling them in the water and they'll still be fine.
Yeah.
You know where that came from? They used to have Bluetooth speakers that you can use in the shower. Yeah, right. So you can like stick it on the wall, or it used to come as a shower head. Right, so you can hear the music in there. And then people started realizing, hey, I want to go to the beach and want to carry speakers and blah, blah, blah.
My roommate had that in college. I remember.
So long it about?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm really late.
Is this not so long? I just said even left college. Yeah.
Aww.
Oh, stop. Number 2 is stop, no man. Sure. Number 2 is a solar beach bag.
All right, I'm going to explain that one here to me, but I don't quite understand how it works. I can see that it have a solar panel, But what does the solar panel do? Keep things cool, keep things hot? I don't know. What does that do?
I probably think I'm hoping to keep things cool. Keep your drinks and keep ice and all
Cool.
them things. Yeah, keep it cool. But why do I need a bag like? Can I just carry it?
Oh, and it can charge your phone, the producer said. Like you can get solar power from the sun, and like you can shibby in your USB or your micro USB, and it charge up your phone.
Oh,
That bad still.
technology have move fast.
Would I work with one of
But
them?
yeah, I would, but just bring an igloo.
Yeah, but
When you go
you
on
can
beach,
charge your
when I go
phone.
on a beach trip, I don't go for use my phone. I go for enjoy.
But suppose you want to take a picture.
Then you make sure your phone have charge.
But that's
and if
the
it
point.
dead, it just dead.
Okay, that's what Excel says. If it dead, it just dead. Next up, you can't go wrong with this. Zero breeze portable air conditioner. As a matter of fact, I don't even need that for the beach. I need that to walk up and down with every day in this country.
No, but I'm thankful
It's
for
so
the rain this week, though.
Oh, I'm
Yeah.
so grateful for the
Yeah.
rain. But
But
as I was
outside of
just
that?
saying earlier, there's such a fine line. Because there can be too much, and we'll go back to where we're coming from a couple of weeks ago, and there can be too little and we're at a drought.
Yeah, I don't need that for the beach. I just need it for my home.
Yeah,
we all
I
need it
need
for
that
home.
all the time, day round.
Zero breeze.
Woo.
Hey, Jamaica's been hot lately, you know?
Yeah. What's next? They have a self-blender
Self-blender
juicer. So that's like a personal cup that you can shove in your stuff in and
Yes.
everything just blend for you, and you can drink out of the bottle. That's cute still, but I don't really think we need that. iReach selfie stick. I've never been a selfie stick person. I just think it's weird. Okay, well, okay. If it works for
It
you.
works for anybody. I
It
mean,
works for
I don't have a
you,
problem with a
that's fine.
selfie stick. I'm
Yeah, and
long enough,
Right,
you
so
know?
you can work with it. But I guess if you got short hands and you
Yeah.
need one of those, then
you got
cool.
Trump hands. I'm kidding.
Mr. Watch out, I'm going to revoke your visa. That was it, guys, for the top 5 must-haves this summer.
And with
What-
summer comes the hangout with friends. What's a hangout without music?
I know, right?
Here are the top 5 trending on the Billboard chart on your playlist.
The first one is
That's What I Like
DJ. We are playing
by
DJ.
Bruno Mars.
What's the next one, DJ? The next one is actually a favorite of mine. I like the next one a lot. Hey, hey, I just got started. This one is Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. I see the man them face in there a while ago.
Good thing Brown are there.
Oh, Brown, we miss you.
Morning, Brown. Alright, the third one is Something Just Like This. By
You know this song?
I don't know this song.
Oh.
Sometimes I only know the chorus and piece of verses.
Okay, yeah, all right. What's the next one?
Number 4.
You for know that one here, man. You always play them song here.
Oh, we
Man,
like that one here though. Alkaline Impact.
Me no really worry about the charts. Me no worry about some little man who has tried this for
I like
soon
this
last.
one.
When
I
you
like
see
the-
when you get knocked up
I like the
Always create
message.
moments we never live in the
Okay.
past. From little me and say anytime me get in, me I feel it for impact.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
it's a good vibe.
And the last one we have is from you know who.
Massacre and
And-
Vibes Cartel.
Oh,
Infrared.
Free foundation, youth, blood, politician. My dog them a feeling. My dog them a feeling.
I heard this song for the first time last night. Can you believe it? I saw me late.
I don't know. I don't
You
blame
don't hear
it.
it?
I don't blame
You
it.
never heard it?
I've heard it,
Oh.
yeah.
I thought I was not alone.
Yeah, but I have a different playlist for summer. I have Chronics and Kes Namdi
Yeah, that's more my speed.
and Agent Sasko.
Okay.
Theory of Negativity.
Ooh, I'm gonna listen to that.
Yeah, man.
Well, summer is coming and you got all of the hot stuff that you should have, so go get them. And if you get some for yourself, get some for me at X-Style too.
And more for her than me because you know she stay with food.
Jeez Louise, more on Smile after the break. We'll be right back.
Who no like how we a live? Fighting for it, flying go for it. My dog them a feeling. My dog them a feeling. Come on, girl. Who no like